Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In here we're going to work on the DevHub part, and in the DevHub part we're talking about the frontend file. So this is DevHub introduction JS. So I actually added into the build part, and I have just written the codes for you guys. So it has some mistakes. It's because of the package object ID. So this has to change with the one that we deployed, that we built on, and then we can use it for the good part of it. And for the other part, if you just want to use this part as a front end, you can just actually feel free to play with the codes, and you can just write more, or you can just make it less. Just make sure that you are actually installing the npm install at mr.js at Mr. Wallet Kit, so that if you won't have any problems while using it. So another important part is that while please writing codes, just make sure that you are using as a clean code. I just wanted to keep it as packet object ID. It's because I just want you to see where we can actually put it. We're making this video because at some point some of our developers are just coming from backend, so we thought it would be better to just know where to put the codes and how to play with it. And just also please make sure that you have the Node.js installed on your computer, because you're going to use JavaScript, TypeScript, and Next.js. All of them are in one section. So just know that in blockchain we are also using JavaScript, and it helps you to write your codes really nicely, without learning to new codes like Rust or Move, or Solana. So it's always better to go right. But other than that, it's just a fine addition to your library to use your codes. Right, so thank you for listening. See you on the next video.